What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to create invoice in PayPal, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, let's say you have a business account and you need to create an invoice and you don't know how to do it. That's where I step up to teach you how to exactly do it. So how to create your first PayPal invoice. After log into your PayPal dashboard, find and click Tools in the top bar and then click Invoicing. Next, click the Create Invoice option. So then you will need to follow a couple of steps. First, you need to select a template and currency from the drop-down list at the top of the invoice. If the default template works for you, continue with it, of course. Then you need to change currency, which is optional. The default currency is US dollars. However, where you can change it here you can change it if you want to, and basically you can use different currency for your invoice. Then you need to add business details. Before proceeding, add business details to be included in the invoice, which is company name, company logo, your first and last name, email address, contact number, website address, and tax ID. Some of these, such as logo, website address, and contact number, are optional, so you may choose to omit these details. Add customer email and details, which are first and last names, business name, address, contact info, country, delivery address, billing address, and additional notes. If you plan to continue working with the client, save the details to make further invoicing faster and easier. Also, you need to enter products and services rendered. The following information to your invoice are item, quantity, price, tax, and description, which is optional. Tax, basically default is no tax. And also guys, we are having a couple more steps, which is invoice number and date, add discounts and shipping, which is optional, preview and send. Basically the seventh step is, before sending the invoice, preview how it will appear to the client and make changes if it required. The final step is, of course, the invoice is through and you got paid and your business was successful. So overall guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it helped you a bit, so thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.